Well, ladies and gentlemen, it gives me great pleasure to welcome you to ID Medical headquarters in Milton Keynes and to our clinical skills workshop.
I'm a medical doctor.
I'm an occupational therapist. I'm RGN.
Creative practitioner.
Physician.
Nurse.
A&E doctor.
Podiatrist in Nottingham.
Today's clinical skills workshop was really good. I came with high expectations.
I think today's going to really give you a good insight to how we can support you on your journey and most certainly associate you to the leading medical recruitment company, ID Medical.
I really enjoyed it. It's been really useful.
It's very helpful.
It was very helpful for me.
And the information was relevant and to the point.
It's never too soon to plan for the rest of your career, and ID Medical School will support you through that.
Hands-on workshops, so
Arterial blood gases.
canalization.
Cannulation.
The reason why I came was to do cannulation and venipuncture, and I got that done. I regained my confidence doing cannulation.
Catheterization.
Catheterization.
Normally I don't do the catheterization, so that has been a problem for me in the district.
As an occupational therapist, I wouldn't be doing a lot of cannulation and catheterization.
During our training in the uni, they didn't allow us to do it. And coming here today, having the privilege to practice.
I have the full confidence now to go out there and do the catheterization, so it's perfect.
And now that I've come here, I feel so much more confidence in doing it. We've got quite a lot of help. There's more than one assistant around to give advice, and once you ask, they're all ready available to give you information, and it was very friendly.
It has been very, very interesting and very useful to update my clinical skill knowledge.
I think I'd advise everyone to come along once a year, get a top-up training, refresh your skills.
It's been a great refresher course.
The reason for attendance is to refresh my clinical skills, because it has been a long time I'm in the practice, but I haven't attended a clinical kind of workshop.
I worked in primary care, so having been out of secondary care, you sort of sometimes, it's nice to have these courses just to remind you of those skills.
This clinical workshop was a kind of very good opportunity for me.
It helps me to repeat and gain knowledge.
I've learned my basics again.
I undertook BLS today and I got 2 CPT points for it.
The BLS training, it was another good opportunity to update myself on it.
Basically, I needed to do some sort of clinical workshop and some BLS sort of courses for my revalidation.
I need my CPD points for revalidation to be a better doctor.
For me, it's very beneficial for my occupational therapy portfolio and HPC registration.
This was very useful to have to add to my portfolio.
Well, it just goes to show my commitment and my initiative in gaining, continuous training really, and developing myself.
The workshop today is very good.
Very friendly, very welcoming.
Excellent.
Best workshop ever.
Very helpful.
Very helpful. Very informative.
I feel as if I've gained a lot more actually, knowledge.
I've made some good friends also.
And I would definitely recommend it.
Yeah, I would recommend the workshop to my colleagues that I've trained with.
I will certainly be making a recommendation to my friends and colleagues.
I would definitely recommend ID Medical School to my colleagues.
Yes, I would recommend ID Medical Schools.
I would absolutely recommend the workshop to my colleagues and my friends as well.
I would recommend ID Medical very strongly. Yeah.
And I can go out and tell people about ID Medical. You know what, it's worth giving a go.